Welcome, in front of me is a XIAOMI Black Shark 3, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, you want to open up Settings app, and from here tap on the first option, About Phone, where you'll find Backup and Reset. And here, scroll down, and at the bottom you have Erase All Data Factory Reset. And then here at the bottom, delete all data. Now before you tap on it, keep in mind that performing this will remove all the data from your device. That includes your personal photos, videos, anything that you have captured with the device, downloaded apps, and any kind of data that you have put on the device past the setup will be completely gone. So if there's something that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will permanently lose it. But if you have already done it, or well, you don't want to back it up, tap on delete all data. If you have some kind of pattern, PIN or password, you will need to confirm it. And now we need to wait 20 seconds to figure out that performing this will remove all the data from it. And we need apparently 2 messages of this, so we're certain that we want to do it. And once time has passed, and we can press the OK button, there we go, the process will begin. So now this will take about a minute or two, and once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.